What's up YouTube? It's your girl NaturalKBeauty back with a video finally. It's been a few years, guys, but I decided I'm ready to come back and start bringing you all some content. I am growing my nails out, so I'll be documenting that, but I have some exciting news, guys. I got a camera. Woo, woo, woo. So I have been wanting this camera forever, and I got it. So it's an early Christmas present to myself. So I got the Canon G7X Mark II, guys. So like I said, I wanted this camera forever. So I want to do an unboxing with you guys. I've been holding off for a few days, and I want to do unboxing. So this is what I got. I got it from Best Buy, and I only got the camera. I didn't know that they actually had a creator content kit. I didn't know about that, because had I known, I would have gotten it. But I kind of created my own in a sense. So here's the camera, and we're going to unbox it together. So let's get started. All right, so actually need to move this down. All right, so let's get to unboxing. So this is what the box looks like. Have it upside down. So this is what the box looks like. So we're going to unbox it together and see what it all comes with. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. So you have just some paperwork. So you have your registration, so you can register your product, your manual, and then just your warranty information that you send in, okay? And within the box, you also get your charger pack to charge your battery. You get your wrist strap as well as your battery here. And then here is the awesome part. Here is the camera. All right, so I'm so excited, y'all. So here's the camera, and this is what it looks like. It looks so awesome. Look at it, guys. And one thing I love about it is the flip screen, so I can actually see myself as I'm recording. Doesn't that look so awesome, y'all? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So this is what it looks like. I'll turn it around. So I am actually going to go ahead and put the battery in. Okay, so I went ahead and took the charger and battery out of the packaging. So this is what it looks like. I am going to go ahead and order another battery, as well as a screen protector to protect the screen. But I'm actually going to go ahead and, I have not charged the battery, but I'm going to go ahead and insert it. And just pop it in there. Push it all the way in. Is it not in there? Let's see. Okay, there we go. So you want to make sure that you push it all the way in, and then lock it in place. I'm going to turn it on, guys, and it asks you to set the time and date, so that is what I'm going to do. All right, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to set it later. I'm gonna actually make sure I read through the booklet. Just for me, I'm just the type of person that reads through the booklets. But this is what it looks like turned on. I also, this is what it looks like. I'll actually flip it up so you all can see. So this is what it looks like. I see my little setup. You hear it trying to focus? So this is what it looks like here. And I'm actually going to go ahead and turn that off, but I'm going to also show you what else I got. So For my stand, I bought the Gorilla stand, the Gorilla arm, as well as a SD card. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the battery and record, put in my SD card, and so that way I can try and do a side-by-side comparison. So I'll be right back. All right, so I actually got the micro SD because my computer actually has a micro SD. I have a HP. So my computer actually has the micro SD, which is why I opted to get the SD card like that with the adapter. But you know, you do what is best for your computer. So I just attached that. I'm going to slide that in here. Push it all the way in, like so. Close it up and lock it in place. This is what it looks like when you have the SD card in there. Okay. By the way, I do have 128 gigs. So this is what it looks like here. So I am going to actually go ahead and open up my pod so I can do a comparison, or I might just stick my camera on top of something so you can see the difference in quality. So I'll be back in 1 second. All right, everybody. So here is all right, so here is the video on my G7X Mark II. I'm still recording on my phone, so you can see the difference, but I do have it on my Gorilla stand. But so far I love it. The quality is amazing. It's clear, it's crisp, it's just mwah, chef's kiss. I'm so excited, guys. As I stated before, I've wanted this camera forever and I finally have it. So I'm definitely going to make sure I read the manual so that go ahead and you know, set it up. I can, you know, set it up in my car, on the mirror, whatever the case may be, and record. All right, everybody. In the comment section, also leave some tips and tricks. If you have this camera, let me know how you like it. If you have any tricks that you know about for any settings, go ahead and leave that below as well. And as always, God bless. Talk to you soon. Peace. Bye, beauties.